Have you heard the news? There are over 290 million people in the U.S. who have a cell phone today, spending $200 billion on wireless bills, and experts predict the industry will grow to $400 billion by 2014. Lightyear Wireless is positioning itself to help consumers save money by showing them a better way to use wireless. Our no contract, no commitment, no credit check, no deposits, no overages, and no hassles product offering has everyone talking. There have been two powerful articles written recently regarding no contract or prepaid wireless service. One says 65% of all new customers activating wireless are choosing no contract or prepaid wireless service. The other says that 25 million contract wireless customers will be switching to no contract or prepaid wireless service over the next 6 months. I don't know about you, but I would say we are in the right place at the right time. Let me share with you 3 reasons why someone should join Lightyear Wireless today. Do you know anyone that would like to pay 50% less on their current cell phone bill? Lightyear offers unlimited talk, text, and web access for only $59.99 per month. AT&T and Verizon both charge $119.99 for the same unlimited talk, text, and web service. Do you know a few people who have a cell phone bill? If so, you can join Lightyear today as a representative and refer 3 customers and earn free service forever. Or you can simply join as a customer and refer 5 customers and earn free service forever. Why would someone pay a bill when they can get it for free? Lightyear has a phone for everyone. Touchscreen phones, camera phones, full keyboard texting phones, flip phones, and more. All with the latest software programs such as Android, BlackBerry, Windows, Palm, and more. People love their phones. They use them to talk, text, surf the web, take pictures, shoot videos, listen to music, and are even paying for coffee and other goods at stores using their phone. As technology grows, who knows what your phone will be doing for you in the future? I can guarantee you one thing: you will have a cell phone and use it every day. Lightyear Wireless is a division of our parent company, Lightyear Network Solutions. Lightyear started doing business in 1993 and is located in Louisville, Kentucky in an 80,000 square foot office campus. We are a publicly traded company, members of the Better Business Bureau, and have been ranked number 19 on Inc. magazine's fastest growing companies. And we are on a mission to help millions save money on wireless bills. Thanks for taking the time to visit our website to learn more about our company and hopefully join us as a customer today. If you have additional questions, please get with a Lightyear representative who referred you to our website and they will answer all your questions. Once again, thanks for taking the time to learn more about Lightyear Wireless.